Okay, one of the strategies for subtraction is base 10 blocks. So if you have um, 84 minus 20, you can draw 84, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Now we want to subtract 28. I need to subtract 8 ones, but when I go over here, I don't have 8 ones to subtract. So I need to cross off a stick of 10 and break it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough ones to subtract. I need to cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I crossed off 8 ones. Now I need to cross off 2 sticks of 10. 1, 2. Now that's done. All I need to do is count what I have left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56.